Hebu nambieni, unajua saa nyingine tunalalamika bila mipango. Tunaambiwa, oh, kule Kenya Tourism Board, you are not marketing this area. Sometimes you don't market an area when you have nothing. You market an area when there is something. And let me tell you, today, I was highly educated by Wanjao. He showed me the map. That it was very impressive. Imagine you have Meru National Park, 870 square kilometers. Just tell me, you don't have one single lodge. You don't have access road, 26 kilometers not possible. How do people come to you? We need to reprioritize what we want to do. We made a decision collectively. We are going to take over these access roads to the national park. We'll work with Kera and Kenya Roads Board so that they can allocate budget for us. Uko ndani tutatengeneza sisi wenyewe ndani ya national park. But we cannot sell something when you have nothing. And let me tell you, the asset I've seen here today is bigger than Masai Mara National Park. It's virgin. It can be developed in a controlled manner. But we have failed to be giving the enablers. So we have agreed that we are going to create a whole ecosystem. We want Kora National Park. We want Meru National Park. We want Binasadi National Reserve from Isiolo. We want Nyambene National Reserve from Kiraitu and Meru. And we can consolidate it together. So it becomes a proper circuit. Where here you have the advantage. It's not just about animals. You can create the river rafting activities. But we cannot sell something when you have nothing. And let me tell you, the asset I've seen here today is bigger than Masai Mara National Park. It's virgin. It can be developed in a controlled manner. You can create lodges on the shores of the river and take advantage of that situation. So let's not fight on small little lodges which are dead. The lodge we saw there in Leopard is a dead lodge. It should be demolished and cleared. And I'm going to tell Kiraitu to do that. People want real good properties, not a deceptive product. Ati hiyo ni lodge. Kitu gani hii? Chokora analetwa hapa tu.